I'm Denise.
I'm Peter.
And we have used Kaelyn Schmidt Design for our kitchen renovation and have rehired her team for our bathroom. We loved the fact that she listened and she worked off what we said rather than trying to interest us in a bigger project than we really kind of thought we were able to handle.
We actually went to a number of designers to get different ideas, and everybody was coming up with probably their own design. And so to Denise's point, Kaelyn worked with us to present what we were looking for, and was really easy in terms of allowing us to make adjustments as we went along the way, and also offered a lot of good suggestions that I think really added to the detail and to the space itself. So we were very, very pleased.
We were thrilled at how fast, relatively speaking, the kitchen was back to being able to be utilized, at least in some basic ways. So the stove was hooked up much sooner than we had expected, and we had done a kitchen remodel in a prior home and were without a working kitchen for 3.5, 4 months, and it was much, much shorter than that this time.
I think the other thing that was interesting was that some of the cabinet faces came in incorrect, and there was no hesitation on her part to make sure that the right things got put into place. It took the project a little longer because a lot of it was custom made, but in the end, everything looks perfect.
It just made it so much easier to work with a team of people who listen and seem to not just understand what we're trying to say, but also then add to that and bring it to fruition and flesh it out into a workable idea.
I think working in her office was particularly helpful too, because she had the ability to present through a video the different additions that we were making, so we could see what it might look like when it was finished, and it made our decision process, I think, a lot easier.
Mm-hmm. We're thrilled with the project. I mean, it absolutely is gorgeous. It's I can't say that we envisioned this, because it's so beautiful, and it makes me happy every time I come in this room.
As the guy that has to pay the tab on this thing, I would say that the pricing was excellent. I mean, we got prices all over the chart, if you will. Prices that she gave us were the ones we stuck with, and she worked with us all the way through. Very pleased, and as I said, very reasonably priced for the work done. Mm-hmm. I will also say that the crew that she has is excellent. Everybody is so friendly and engaging, also listening to us and explaining every step of the process to us as they're going through it, even asking us for minor adjustments. You know, do we want to do this or that? So it was a constant interaction with the crew, not that we had to be here, but the fact that they were so friendly, so engaging, and wanting our opinions as we went along. I thought that was very helpful.
Again, when you're having people in your home for day after day for a number of weeks or months, it's nice to have people that you not only trust, but that add some enjoyment to your day.
Just greeting them, it wasn't a simple handshake. It was a little bit of a hug too. I mean, they're great people.
I would say give them a call. I think you won't be disappointed. As I said, she listens, she fleshes out your ideas, gives you various options, and it made the whole process so much easier. And obviously, we hired her and her team for another project, so we're very well pleased.
And we would highly recommend her to anybody, absolutely. Really. I mean, I think to meet her, to see the team, and this place has become a little bit of a showplace, I think. And as people have come in, I think they genuinely are pleased with what they're seeing.